Good morning, you guys. It's a beautiful morning here at the Apurva Kempinski. It's 7:30 a.m. right now, and I'm going to the gym, get a quick morning workout in. Just got done working out. That was a good one. The gym has full equipment, so that was really nice. I got all my workout in, got a full body workout. Now time to go get ready for breakfast. Alright, it's breakfast time. Audrey's out and about with me. For round one, we are going the Asian route. This is the first couple bites. Really good food. Trying Indonesia jamu. It's like a herbal drink. It's supposed to be very good for your health. It's very potent. So we just got done eating breakfast, and since we are in a tropical weather, we are now got caught in a rainstorm. Hopefully it will go away soon because I do want to enjoy this resort and the beach.
A few minutes later.
The rain cloud is finally gone and we are walking to the beach. So it's super sunny right now and windy, which is needed because, you know, otherwise it's gonna be too hot.
We're at the beach now. This cabana. So nice.
The best part is it's free. How's the water?
Very nice. Like it's like the perfect temperature. It feels like it's kind of heated, you know? And it's so blue.
Yeah. Except the trash.
Yeah,
You gotta pick it up.
There's some trash.
So part of the effort to clean up the beach, there's a plastic bucket that just got washed ashore. I just pick it up and look, it has little clams. Must have been floating in the sea for so long.
I was talking to like the guy who worked here, and he said that basically because there's so many islands, a lot of the trash gets like pushed for some reason, and all of the trash has been in the water for a while, to the point where he found like a piece of trash from 1997. So we're just helping a little bit by cleaning up whatever we can find. I mean, it's not much, but you know, we do what we can.
It's a reminder to use less plastic.
Yeah, for sure.
And try to save the environment. I decided to stand up, and then I fell right away and I hit my eyes in the paddleboard.
It's about to have a black eye tomorrow.
Going back to the state, looking like I got beat up here in Bali. We had lunch, it was great. Now we're gonna play some beach volleyball. Let's go.
Later that same evening.
Alright, so for this evening, we're watching a Balinese dance, and you have to put on the sarong. I guess other people have the same idea with us. This play is poppin'. So even though it looks really hectic, it wasn't too hectic. All you need to do is...
So we've only bought tickets to the entrance of the temple. We still have to get in line to buy tickets to watch the show.
Yeah. So you have to buy a ticket twice.
So we'll see how that one goes, because I don't know. There's a lot of people here.
Okay, so we were told that there are some monkeys here, so we need to hold on to our stuff. These monkeys be sneaky.
So, like I said earlier, we didn't know if we were gonna get tickets or not, and we did not get tickets. So we're just gonna walk around the temple and wait for sunset.
And the reason why we didn't get the ticket is because today is Indonesia Independence Day. So there's a lot of local that come out. And also, we got here at 5:10 for the 6 p.m. show, and we could only buy ticket for the 7 p.m. show, which is a little bit too late for us because we haven't had dinner yet. So yeah, so that's why we are just walking around.
The next day.
Good morning, you guys. It is our last day here in Bali. It is 6 a.m. and we are trying to go catch the sunrise. I don't know why my voice is like this, but yeah, let's go.
So that was a very beautiful sunrise, and we are now at breakfast, our last breakfast here. So we're just gonna eat the same buffet. So we'll see you guys in a bit.
And goodbye, Bali, really.
Alright you guys, so we are now at the Bali airport. You know what that means. It means it's time to leave Bali and we have to end this vlog here. Thank you so much for tagging along. I hope you guys enjoy watching it. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and hit that subscribe button. And last but not least, don't forget to keep winning at live. See you next video. Bye!